I would like to turn over the floor to our lead public prosecutor.
Thank you, prosecutors, Attorney Lorna Cabunan, for your remarks, which are duly noted. Yes, the lead prosecutor is recognized.
Your Honor, as manifested yesterday, the articles of impeachment is divided into 4 themes, and I would like to turn over to the head prosecutor of Article 4, that is threat, the Honorable Lawrence Defensor. May I request that he be recognized, Your Honor.
The member of the panel of prosecutors, Congressman, the Honorable Lawrence Defensor, is recognized. For his introduction of Article 4, I presume. Thank you so much. Before we proceed, that we are more than willing to listen to the debate here. I'm speaking for myself, but I think for also other Senator judges, of course, give us much debate. But there are certain issues that we also need time to study. So if we look at the rules of impeachment, supplementary kasi yung rules ng rules of court. And the difference between asking the accused to take the stand and asking someone who's not the accused, but we may say something that is incriminatory. There's a wide difference. So the accused, under the rules of court, hindi mo pwedeng i-force to take the stand. Pero yung hindi accused, they have to take the stand and wait for the question, and then they can claim the right against self-incrimination. But it could be argued that this isn't exactly a criminal court, in a criminal test, it's an impeachment court. So if it pleases the court, or if the prosecution is sure to ask for the subpoena, may I propose sa presiding officer that both sides give us a memoranda in advance, so that we can also do our part and study rather than spend much more time during the debate. Thank you. Sorry for the interruption, Congressman. Noted, Senator Cayetano. However, this premature at this time. We will do what we did with respect to the motion for the issuance of subpoena at Justificandum et Justificum in regard to the bank accounts of the spouses Duterte and Carpio, as well as the NLC records. We require the parties to submit a memoranda, and we will be scheduling it for oral arguments by the parties. If that is the desire of the Honorable Senator Judge Cayetano, we will do the same with respect to this once the motion has been filed formally by the panel of prosecutors. The Honorable Defensor is recognized. You may proceed, sir.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. Honorable Senator Judges, noong 22 ng Hunyo